Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just tap to the connected devices section. Here just tap to the connection preferences and you will see the NFC section. Just go there and just to enable the NFC, tap here once on the switcher and that's it. And if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and that's how it looks. And also we got the second way how we can just turn off the NFC. Go to the notification bar and here you got the NFC icon. Just tap here once on the icon to turn it on, and just to deactivate it, tap again here on the NFC icon. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.